Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Giecy voice amplifier. It is portable and on board is Bluetooth. 30 watt power. Wow! 2800 milliampere hour rechargeable battery. It has a PA system speaker for multiple locations such as classroom, meetings and outdoor use. The amplifiers will gain up your voice and saves your throat when you have a difficult time speaking loudly enough, like me. Delivering 30 watt clear and soft sound to cover about 20,000 square feet, over 1,000 square meters, loud enough to cover a big room. Not only an amplifier, but it is also a portable Bluetooth speaker. You can stream your favorite music from any type of Bluetooth-enabled mobile devices up to 33 feet away. That portable Bluetooth amplifier is a portable public address system. You can take it to multiple locations such as classrooms, bingo calling, and outdoor activities. Yeah, it will help you in speaking to 100 plus members in your group. Wow, awesome, isn't it? It has a built-in 2800 mAh big lithium battery. This allows you that the microphone speakers only take 3 up to 5 hours to fully recharge. But it plays up to 12 until 15 hours of amplifying time and up to 8 hours of music playback time. Awesome, really awesome. And a personal voice amplifier TF, this is a micro SD card, and USB flash drive is connectable here. You can repeat, sing a tune, loop all music and switch songs. Easy to use as a wired speaker. And the quality of the speaker is really awesome. I will give you a try later in this video from the awesome sound what is coming out of a small and tiny wave sound woofer in it here. This is really nice. I like it really much. Compared to the latest model of voice amplifiers in the market, that is the higher fidelity, lower noise, but stronger output power, which is more user friendly to all that customers out there, like me here. The portable voice amplifier chooses to adjust the volume of the reverb mode to make the sound more powerful. It making the sound cover a wide area. The voice amplifier are designed for indoor and outdoor use. When switching on the right side, you have to switch it on, but using the volume up lever on the right side, select the corresponding amplifier mode by pushing left side on the amp button. Adjust the volume of the reverb mode outdoors to make the sound more powerful. Set the reverb mode indoors to reduce or eliminate hauling and to make the original sound reinforcement clearer and louder. The output power is RWS 30 watt maximum, but this is enough. Frequency response is 100 Hz to 13 kHz. The working temperature is from minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius. The size is 4.5 to 3.5 to 1.7 inches. It is really tiny. The width is 11.030 and you will get everything what you need in amplifying your sound. You have the Bluetooth voice. That means you can connect under the Bluetooth mode, for example, an Apple iPad, an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy S, etc. Every smartphone, every Bluetooth able computer, for example, can connect with this device. And after you connect with this device, you're able to get all the sounds out and get it out of this amplifier. The voice amplifier portable not only it's not only an amplifier, but it's also a Bluetooth amplifier. You can stream your favorite music from any type of Bluetooth enabled mobile devices. And here it comes. FM mode. Yeah, old school baby. When you're resting, turn on the radio voice amplifier and enjoy your personal time. Get the latest news and focus on them in real time. And you could connect TF card, micro SD, USB disk support. You can push in micro USB, micro how it calls micro SD card. Sorry about this, or and an USB, easily on the USB card. There can be MP3 players, for example, or MP3s, wave sounds, etc. And these wave sounds and MP3s are this amplifier able to playback. Really awesome. And if you are in the mode of recording, you can record your voice. What are you talking about? In the amplifier, it will gain up your voice and it will save your speech on this medium like SD card or USB card. Really awesome for later. That means you can use this as recording thing. You can use this for FM radio, high energy speaker, whistle stop, Bluetooth, TF card reader, USB support, and microphone headset. In this set is a headset included, but you can also connect others with it easily. Now let's connect my iPad Pro. Here you can see we are in blue mode. Then you can see on my device in the backside, you can see G300. This is the amplifier. Now we push on the amplifier G300 on my iPad, and now it will connect to it. Just done. There it is. And now let's play one trailer of my second channel, PDP Performance, and we are going to hear how this amplifier sounds. I like it really much, and I will use it. I will probably use it because I bought it. It's my job here to make business with my voice, to make business with video editing, etc. So I need an amplifier. Yeah. So let's hear in the amplifier. Oh, I think the sound is really great. It is clear, it is loud if you like, and it can be recorded. Awesome thing. I like it really much, and I will continue using it all the day long. So that it is, how it works, and 30 watt power, 2800 milliampere hour, rechargeable battery inside. It is easy to connect it to the AC adapter and then give this battery a reload, full charge in 3 or 5 hours, then job's done. And then you can gain up your voice easily, really easy. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.